Hi, and welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we are going to be making Italian Eggnog Mocha. Yes, you heard it here first, Italian Eggnog Mocha. So, we're going to get right into the ingredients. The first thing we're going to use is Coldstone cake batter, K-cup here. We're going to use natural Bliss, real milk cream, Torani, Italian eggnog, some vitamin D milk, and we're going to top it off with chocolate caramel flavor Torani pureed sauce. So we're going to go ahead and add the cake batter into our Keurig Cake Cafe, and we're going to hit the latte and cappuccino button. Strong, it's definitely on shot, and the K in the middle. Alright, so while that is going to be brewing, we're going to go ahead and do the vitamin D milk to the cappuccino line inside, which is about 2 ounces. And then we're going to top it off with our natural Bliss, cream, and milk to the latte line. And how we're going to get this beautiful flavor is we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of the Italian eggnog. And once you open that up, it smells delicious. And then we're just going to add the chocolate caramel, and that's how you get the mocha taste. And one more. So about 1.5 teaspoons there. And so I believe our cappuccino part is done. I'm just trying to get that chocolate sauce off. I'm going to go ahead and put this top on. Alright, and I'm going to push the latte button on that. And here are Before 5 shout outs of the week. And if you want to become a Before 5 shout out of the week, all you have to do is subscribe to Before 5 YouTube channel and post a comment. That's it. Alright, so after you hear the double beep, that means the latte part is ready. This is what it looks like. And now we're ready to pour. Yes, first of all, that smells amazing. And as you can already see, it's starting to separate. And then we're just going to make a cute little design. So if you like eggnog, and I know I do, I absolutely love it, you will enjoy this Italian eggnog mocha. Thanks for watching Before 5 and have a wonderful day.